Hey Selwyn, I'm hoping you can help me understand something that's going on with the list control that I have. So here I've got this. What I'm finding is that the list controls are firing even though I've asked them not to, but only under certain conditions. So here I've got this test list, and it's doing a select statement. Let's see. It's doing a select statement where an image category is equal to bones. So that's fine. Its list properties are set to delay render till visible, and I've just got a message in here on the on list draw events to show that it's firing. And here's the important bit. Here's the really important bit. Now the image is going to be rendered based on um, well, it doesn't really matter in this case. In this case, I'm just going after an image path name, which is in this particular case is coming from the server. And in a second example that I'm going to show you, I've got the images coming from an Amazon account, cloud account. Anyway, so let's just do it from here first, and I'll show you what this is doing. I save that. So we've got it delay render till visible. I'm just going to publish this. And the images are coming from the server. Now, we're not going to actually see any images, but I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm going to fire this up. So there's my test list firing. The other message was from a second list firing. This is the last list firing. So I don't understand why that's firing, but so there's my initial menu list. Now I'm going to go and select a category. And here's my category list of images that are firing. And you'll see down here in the number of requests that there's 138 requests. 114 was from the menu. So if I just run that again. So there's 114 requests for my menu. And now I'm going to click here and I'm going to grab all the images for that particular category. And I know there are about 21 images, so give or take a few other requests. So that takes us up to 138. So now I'm going to go and change things in the list. I'm going to ask it to grab the images from the Amazon cloud account. So I'll just comment that out, and put this in. And you'll see now that there are, like we're going after a category called bones here, and I know that there are 41 records in bones. So I'll click OK there, and we're going to save this. So there's my second image list firing, although it's set to delay render till visible. There's my test list firing, which is also set to delay render till visible. So there's my my menu. So now I'm going to go after Big Bang to Biology and take note of this number of requests down here. We're still at 114, which is what the menu is. So now I'm going to go after this list. So, and for some reason, the requests for the test list go through, and I don't know why. Because we had 138 before. I know there's 41 records in Bones, so that takes us to 179 requests. So that test list is firing. and it fires under two conditions. Um, with going after the Amazon cloud stuff, it's firing. If I don't do that, it doesn't fire. And if I turn delay render till visible, well, so let's turn that on and do this. So we're still going after the Amazon cloud images. One hundred and 14 requests. Big Bang to Biology. That takes us up to 138 requests. But then there's that test list firing off its network requests as well. And finally, if I were to go back into list properties, turn off delay render till visible, but keep explicit on, then it doesn't fire. Well, it doesn't make network requests, let me put it that way. So there's that. Big Bang to Biology. And we're going to stay at 137 requests. So I'm not really sure what's going on. Like with a few number of records, like almost who cares? But in this production system for Ashley, I've got like thousands of images out there. So in this particular case, it's making like 1,000 network requests. And I've got a couple of lists doing the same thing. So I was looking at these network requests jumping from 137 requests up to 2,000, over 2,000. And that's taking time, and just it's kind of freezing everything up for a period of time. And so I just thought I'd show that to you and ask you if I'm understanding what's going on, or if I'm misunderstanding what the properties mean. Thanks for having a look.